glow, you gotta let it show. Get this glowing. Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeannie. This is Unfiltered 50s, and if you've never been here before, then welcome. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, in today's video, guess what? I have a box for you. Guys, has your packages been arriving? Have they been on time? Have they been late? Mine has been so late. Oh, my goodness. I have had to call up Ulta and Sephora and be like, dude, I ordered this on December the 5th. Where is my stuff? Oh my goodness. Yeah, Sephora, I ordered on December the 5th. I've sent packages out to Southern Mom. I don't think she's gotten hers because I know she would have told me that she's gotten it. I've sent packages to Just Ann. She hasn't gotten hers. Oh my goodness. I'm like, dude, send my stuff to my friends. So, yeah, but finally I got in my Trendmood Box. Yes, I did. I got this. Oh my goodness. So let's get in here. Let's see what's inside. I know what's inside, but let's take a look and unbox this together. I'm so excited about this box. This is my second one I've ever gotten, and let me tell you, I am loving the Trendmood boxes. So it comes with the purple tissue paper, and then they just, you know, come packaged like this. This is what it's looking like. Loving it. We had the chance to get one or the other, either the Sweet Pinks or the Taupes palette. And so what came in mine was the Taupes palette. And this is super duper good. I already had this palette, so, you know, I'll just have one to gift. I wanted to show you the packaging, and then I put my used one inside. So, yes, because I wanted to keep the other one really, really good. But, guys, I have used this palette so much, and it is just absolutely gorgeous. It sort of reminds you of the That's Taupe palette from ColourPop. So you can do a lot with this palette. So definitely did not mind getting this palette again because I can definitely gift this to someone in a giveaway, whatever. But it's great. So I picked up another one of those. Then what we got that I didn't have was this beautiful, beautiful gloss from Juvia's Place. It is a gold gloss that looks like this. I'm going to save this for my giveaway. I have a 3K giveaway that's coming up, and I already have a gloss that's a lot like this, so I'm going to save this for that. So I'm going to hold on to that. Then we got the Marshmallow Primer. This is a new product from NYX. I have no idea what this is like. Well, let's see. It's got shea butter in it, so that might be really, really good for my skin. Okay, this is what it's looking like. So it's looking like a very hydrating primer. Okay. So with it having that shea butter in it, that kind of turned things around for me. Okay, I'm liking that. All right. That feels like a very, very moisturizing, hydrating primer. Okay. That's like the second ingredient. Doesn't have very much of a smell. Very, very faint smell. Not a perfumey smell. Just a very, very faint. Not perfumey at all. I can't even describe the smell. Just it's not really a clean smell. It's not a dirty smell either. But it's just a smell, just a very nondescript odor. But yeah, I'm thinking that if you have dry skin, you may like this one very, very much, and it seems to have kind of maybe a pore filling type of a property to it. So I'm definitely going to give this one a whirl so I can give you some feedback on this, because I'm thinking I may just end up liking this one very, very much. So yeah, I'll definitely let you know after I've tried it for a while. So I'm kind of excited about that one. Okay, then we got the Resurgence Retinol Youth Renewal Serum by Murad. I love Murad products. I'm very excited to get this one. It is a, says it's a Retinol Youth Renewal Serum. So let's see what this one, oh, okay. So it's a, it is a serum. It just comes out with a slightly butter shade, butter type color to it, but it is a kind of a thick serum. I don't know if you saw that. It looks like this. It's not runny at all. I like that. So that's very nice. Feels good. Yeah, I like that. Okay. Very, very happy with that. I'll definitely have to let you know how this works with my skin. I don't usually use straight up retinol. I use a retinol ester on my skin. Usually when I use retinol, I can get a little bit of peeling and flaking. So I will let you know how this does on my skin. So time will tell. I will usually start flaking within a week or so of using it. So I'll start giving that a try and let you know about that one. Then we got the Lash Out Loud Volumizing Mascara in black from e.l.f. Guys, I love e.l.f. products. And it definitely looks like a type of wand that I will like, because it looks like it's that plastic type of spiky wand. You know, kind of like the roller ball is kind of what it reminds me of. So I have to let you know about that one. There's a card, want bigger, bolder lashes? Try our new Lash It Loud, not Lash Out Loud, but Lash It Loud mascara. It's $6. A volume that hits all the high notes. This formula's intensely rich pigments easily coat lashes for a bigger and bolder look. The sleek, flexible wand hugs every single lash with both vertical and horizontal bristles to amplify, define, and add dimension. Find more e.l.f. products to love with 20% off orders of $30 or more. e.l.f. times Trendmood. And that's until the 31st of December. e.l.f. times Trendmood. Okay, so that's great. 20% off. That's a lot off of e.l.f. Okay, a lot. So yeah. Then the card for the Marshmallow Primer. It says it extends a makeup wear. It smooths, softens, hydrates, soothes, evens tone, minimizes texture, blurs lines, soft focus finish, and keeps makeup fresh. Okay, we did get the Trendmood and the DSMD shop. And it's just really cute. It's got the little beauty blender with a flat side. So that is what this one is looking like. Then we got something I am really excited about. This is from Glow Skin Beauty. It is the Bio Renew Epidermal Growth Factor drops. So I do not have any of this type of a serum, and I have been really wanting to incorporate an EGF serum into my skin care routine, but they tend to be very, very expensive. I don't know how much this runs normally, but I'm very, very excited to have this. It's a bioactive peptide recovery complex for a youthful glow. So yeah, I'm going to do some research on this. I'll let you know about it. And of course, use it and let you know about it. Then another thing I'm excited that is in the box is from one of my favorite brands that I really need to do a new video on, and that is Nude Sticks. I love the Nude Sticks foundation. I love so many products from Nude Sticks. I really, really do. This is the Lemonade Detox and Glow Micro Peel. So let's see what it says about this. This says it is a 3-in-1 deep pore cleanser plus skin renewal exfoliant and skin brightening glow. A skin clarifying peel that detoxes pores of excess oil, dirt, and pollution, powered with vegan enzymatic peeling of papain and deep pore cleansing action of apple and pomegranate extracts. Vitamin C renews and brightens skin for a radiant glow. Apply mask all over the face. Massage peel for 2 minutes and rinse off with water and use 3 to 4 times per week. So that's exciting. I'm excited to have this. Some of the hero ingredients that I see in this is arginine and niacinamide. It's got hyaluronic acid and lactic acid. So I'm not seeing anything bad. I'm just seeing those good hero ingredients. So excited to give this a whirl. So what we got was 7 items in this box. We got the e.l.f. Lash It Loud, the Nude Sticks Nude Skin Cleanser Mask Peel product. We got the Glow Skin Beauty EGF Serum. Very excited about that. We got the Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Serum that I've already got sitting over here ready to start that. So excited about that. Then we got 2 products by Juvia's Place. We got the palette, which my version came with the Taupes palette, and a glass gloss, and mine came in, it's electric. And of course the cute little Trendmood and DSMD Shop sponge. So that was what was in my Trendmood box for this time, and I am so excited to give some of these products a go and report back to you. Did you get the Trendmood this time, and have you tried the products in it? Are you loving them? What are you thinking about them? Let me know down in the comments below. Have you started on the Glow Skin yet? And do so because it is an EGF serum, and that is so important to incorporate into your skincare routine. Do so. If you haven't been using a retinol serum, go ahead and start on this. Remember, retinols love ceramides to be paired with ceramides, so even just some good old CeraVe from the drugstore will work well with this. So grab you a little container of CeraVe from Walgreens or CVS or the drugstore of your choice, whatever, and pair that together with that retinol and incorporate that into your nighttime routine. You do not want to be using a retinol product without using that sunscreen, because the UVA rays that come through your window can be damaging, are damaging whether you're inside or outside. Use your sunscreen daily. And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel, I would love to have you as part of the Unfiltered 50s team. It's really, really easy. Just click on the big red subscribe button down below, and I look so forward to chatting with you about the box down in the comments. And I hope you found something useful in the video today, and that you're enjoying the video no matter what time you're watching it, wherever you're watching it. But until next time, take care, guys, and smooches. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.